I read through all the comments on my last haul video, and apparently I'm not alone. Power to the makeup lovers who overspend. It's a club, right? And I may not be the president, but I'm on the board of directors. Let's put it that way. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you are curious what I got in a recent Boxycharm haul, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so I got hauls coming out of my ears. I apparently purchased another add-on haul from Boxycharm. To be fair, like the last haul video I did was when I placed my July order, and the one before that was like my June, and then there was one from May that I didn't unbox. Anyways, I don't think I make as many purchases as it comes across, but I have been filming some unboxings more so lately. I don't know. I think I actually did a second. Did they have a pop-up sale? I don't know. I shop for add-ons when I make my choice selection, which is towards the beginning of the month or the end of the, I don't know. And then I made another purchase. I don't know when, why, or how, but here it is. So please help. I read through all the comments on my last haul video, and apparently I'm not alone. Power to the makeup lovers who overspend. It's a club, right? And I may not be the president, but I'm on the board of directors. Let's put it that way. And do I ever remember what I purchased? No. So let's dive in and see what I got. Oh, I have gotten this before. Why do I have it again? And I think the first time I unboxed it, I said there's actually 4 brushes, you can't see them, plus 2 sponges. And I may have got this because I think I want to put this in a giveaway or donate to a charity event where there's going to be an auction for makeup products. That's my donation. The whole charity isn't makeup, just a little gift basket. Or I just love Luxie brushes so much. I don't know. Prices will be on the screen, as you know. But yes, can't get mad at brushes and sponges. All right, what else did I get? Really? I ordered something from TrèStiQue. I do not like TrèStiQue at all. What did I order? Mini Lip Glaze in Paris Pink, which looks like neon salmon in real life. Have any of you done this before? Maybe I don't know if it happens on Boxycharm. It has happened to me on FabFitFun, where they have a thing where if you put it in your cart and then you just kind of walk away, they bill and send it to you. Whoa, okay. That description online looked and sounded like it would be a soft, nudie pink. This is full on orange and tiny. So I'm just going to put the cap back on, and we will set this aside for future giveaway. I just don't want to waste the product because I know if I swatch it, put it on once now for, you know, shots of puppies and giggles, I'll never use it again, and that's very wasteful. Mother Earth, I hear you. I will not be wasteful. All right. What else did I get? This so far is like the worst haul video I've ever done. All right. So we have from Julep a mist pooch. Wait, what is that word? It looks like much, but with a PR. Prach. Coconut water facial mist. Okay, well, you had me at coconut. Let me know. I am only familiar with the brand Julep from Boxycharm or Ipsy. My last haul, I had a product from Julep. It wasn't very good, but I'm hoping this mist is good. Please have a good spritzer. $10,000 later. Okay. Plastic wrap is hard. I don't know if you can see that. It's fine, but then you gotta pump it really good. All right, well, let's give it a try. It smells divine. If you like a beachy, coconutty scent, you will love it. I'll describe the mist as fine-ish, meaning it's very fine, but then you'll get a mystery, like, big glob, if you know what I mean. Still gonna use it. Okay, that one was good. What else? Ooh, I see the name, Natasha Denona. Please be good. What are you? This is a Mark Your Liquid Lips matte lipstick. Okay, again, online shopping. Please be a color. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. I don't know, but in the bottle it looks, yes. You know I've been on a nude, light, soft pink kick lately. Please be good. Ooh, you are darker than you look in the bottle. But still doable. I've only tried Natasha Denona eyeshadows. Let's see how good the lip product is. It feels nice for a matte liquid lipstick. Not super drying. The shade match is a little more orange pumpkin spice than I typically go for. However, doable. I can make this work. All right, that is it in this mystery to me Boxycharm add-on sale. Not my best. I got some good items and a couple of duds that I myself purchased. What was I thinking? All right, let's recap. So I got another one of these Luxie Bronze and Glow sets where you get 4 complexion brushes and 2 sponges. I got a Natasha Denona liquid lipstick. Oh, what was I thinking? Moment, a TrèStiQue little sample lip in neon salmon shade. And a coconut facial mist from Julep. And I'm just now reading what that says. It's an M that looked like PR. It says missed much. Wow. Can't read much. All right, I'm going to list on the screen the grand total of what I spent versus MSRP value. Not my best haul. Leave your comments. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, what your thoughts are. If you think I'm overspending, careful on those comments, because I know how you all spend. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so yet, I would love for you to subscribe. My channel's a lot of fun. For those who have, thank you so much. I really do appreciate your support. And you see that guy right somewhere down here? It looks like this. It would mean the world to me if you would hit that thumbs up button. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. All right, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get notified of future videos. All right, thanks everyone.